हिंदी वीडियो के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन पे दिए लिंक पर क्लिक करें। Abotani, the legendary cultural hero of the Tani tribes of Arunachal Pradesh, holds a significant place in our mythology as the forefather of the Tani people. His name, Abotani, Abo means father, and Tani means human. Abotani is considered to be the first man on earth. Here begins our series of The Legend of Abotani. Long, long ago, when the earth was still new and the balance of nature was untouched, a mystical entity called Doni, the sun, and Polo, the moon, looked over the world. They were the eternal protectors of the land, guiding the natural order and overseeing the birth of all life. From their union, a child was destined to bring harmony between humanity and nature. This child was Abotani. Abotani was not born in the usual way. His birth was miraculous. His mother, believed to be an earthly manifestation of nature itself, gave birth to him amidst a forest of tall trees and flowing rivers. When he was born, the forest resonated with songs of the birds and the rustling of leaves, signifying his importance. Doni and Polo blessed him with wisdom and the ability to communicate with nature and understand its intricate laws. As a child, Abotani was curious and adventurous. He would wander deep into the forests, learning the language of animals, trees, and rivers. The natural world became his teacher. He learned how to fish, hunt, and farm by observing how animals thrived in the wild. He was especially close to the rice plant spirit, Digo Ane, who taught him the secret of cultivation of rice. This knowledge would later be the foundation of prosperity for Abotani's descendants. Abotani was also known for his strong sense of justice and compassion. He was determined to teach his people how to live in harmony with nature, to cultivate crops, and sustain themselves without exploiting the earth. His struggles with his people, who were sometimes stubborn or lost in their ways, reflected his deep care for the balance between man and nature. However, Abotani's journey wasn't without challenges. He often clashed with evil spirits and mischievous beings that sought to disrupt the balance of life. Using his wisdom and strength, he would overcome these challenges, further solidifying his place as the cultural hero of the Tani people. Abotani's teachings became the foundation for the Tani people's culture, agriculture, and relationship with the environment. His methods of farming, his respect for the natural world, and his wisdom on communal living continue to shape the lives of his descendants. His descendants are the Tani peoples of Arunachal Pradesh, which includes the Adis, the Nishis, the Tajans, the Apathanis, the Galos, and the Mishings of Assam. Though Abotani eventually returned to the spirit world, his legacy lives on through oral traditions, stories, and rituals performed by the Tani tribes to this day. The descendants of Abotani considered Doni Polo, the sun and the moon, as their creator, and worshipped Doni Polo as their ancestral deity. Abotani's life symbolized the eternal relationship between humans and nature, reminding the Tani people of their responsibilities toward the environment and each other.